So I just wanted to take a quick video to show you the packaging of the current HelloFresh boxes. So first of all, you can see that plastic tape is currently being used on the box, which is non-recyclable. We cut that open. Let's take out the recipe cards and the offers envelope. So yeah, all of the meat and perishables are stored within this massive bag, which is a plastic non-recyclable bag filled with PET, which is what they use to make plastic bottles. Now I understand this is made out of recyclable goods, but it itself is difficult to recycle. So the label says, I'm made of 85% recycled PET, same as plastic bottles. And then it says take the padding out of the bag before recycling the padding. Now I think the number of people who are going to do this is incredibly minimal, so there's got to be a better option. Inside here we've got more plastic bags filled with water, and it says on here, slice the plastic corner of the ice pack, pour the water down your nearest drain, and then toss the emptied plastic into a household bin. So yeah, no recycling at all. So creme fraiche packet is a mixed foil plastic contraption, which is not recyclable, not yet recycled. Ooh, another plastic bag full of ice. Plastic bag full of ice. Plastic bag full of ice. And in here we have some prawns, which is in a non-recyclable black plastic pack. We have pork, which is in, does appear to have a PET recycling triangle on there. Obviously the clear film isn't recyclable. And yeah, the same here for the sea bass. So it looks like the prawns here probably do come in a recyclable bag, but it's just, oh yeah, there we go. So PEHD, not sure. Then inside the box we've got more paper packaging, which is obviously all good. And then within here we've got individual non-recyclable plastic bag of herbs. Same for rice, little plastic container with spice, and then loose veggies and a stock pot. So not too bad in that one, but still a fair amount of plastic bags which aren't recyclable. And then in the next recipe, yeah, much the same. So we've got plastic wrapped tomatoes, plastic wrapped basil, and then in the last one we've got a plastic and cardboard hybrid bag with potatoes. So the fact that you've got plastic and paper combined basically means you can't stick it in the recycling. Individual plastic bag with some more herbs in it. A couple of stock pots which don't appear to have any recyclable marks on them. So yeah, all in all, this is pretty indicative of the recipe boxes we've been receiving for the last couple of months, which are absolutely chock-a-block with packaging that has got no regard for the environment.